Okay, guys, we're going to try this again because we just spent about 15 minutes trying to figure this locomotive out. Apparently, it does have a hitch and it's get along, so we were working on it to see if maybe running it a little bit will get it out. We're going to find out, okay? See, and that's where it does. It's got a hitch and it's get along.
It just run perfectly fine.
I know. Hang on, let me see something. Hang on, let me see. I'm thinking.
Turn it off. Hold on. I'm gonna switch that. I'm gonna switch that switch. Hold on. I'm gonna switch it.
Alright. You know where that switch is at without taking it off?
But that's, I need a fast switch or something. No. See, it's just about right there.
Well, if you have to, take it off.
Yeah. Is there anything else on the bottom?
No.
Just that's it. Go check inside. See what it is.
I just gotta see why it keeps binding up.
You did? I thought there was 3 different modes, but just 2.
There should be a lockout switch.
Oh, okay. Okay.
Alright, see what it does. Okay, let's try pick it up and flip that switch again. Let's see what happens. That's what happened last time. Like I said, we're this first time this locomotive's actually really run. If y'all remember out in the short when I did it was having an issue with its get along.
I'm gonna switch that switch. I'm gonna switch it.
Yeah. So yeah, I don't get it. It's like there's something binding right there. But we're gonna figure this one out
Let me switch
because it wants to try to run, but then it doesn't. So I don't know.
it. Want to be switched? Now you just sorted it out.
Briefly. It's almost like there's something.
It is binding.
Yeah. That's what I'm starting to think.
Your smokestack works.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. I can't see what's going on.
It already talks.
I don't know. We'll figure it out.
Can I touch it?
Okay, we're going to figure out the Kline. I'm not going to work on it tonight. It's going to be something I'm going to work on later. Because something's binding in there, and it could be a gear, something simple, because it's trying to move, and at one point it does want to move, and then it will take off and shoot out in the rails like a rocket, and then it doesn't. So I don't know if it's something electronic in there or if it's binding. I don't know. The way it's acting like it's more like something is in there binding. So I've got to get into it and figure out what's going on. But we will get that figured out. Uh, won't be tomorrow, but I'll work it on my day off and we'll go from there. As always, keep the shiny side rubber down. Here's a lesson about locomotives and sometimes how they can be very temperamental. In fact, I think that locomotive just earned its name. Tempertantrum. We'll figure it all out. As always, we'll talk to y'all then. Y'all have a wonderful evening. Keep the shiny side of rubber down. Have a good night.